Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Maxwell 2. This is a 7-inch tablet. It's 119 euros and let's get to it.
Alright, so this is the Maxwell 2. This tablet was sent to me by a Spanish company called BQ, so I could review it for you guys. This is a 7-inch tablet with a multi-touch capability. It has Wi-Fi, it comes with 8GB, 1GB of RAM, it has a dual-core 1.6 GHz processor, Android 4.1 Jelly Bean, a viewing angle with 178 degrees, a front camera, Bluetooth 4.0, and GPS. In the box we have the tablet, the USB wall adapter, a bunch of paper we don't care about, and also the computer connection cable. With nothing else on the box, let's go to the specs of this tablet. On the left side of this tablet we have the microphone, the mini HDMI port, the audio jack 3.5, the micro USB, and the micro SD slot. And on the top of this tablet we have the power button and the volume rockers.
Alright guys, this was the unboxing of the Maxwell 2. Subscribe to see the unboxing and some other videos like this. Like and favorite if you enjoyed it will help me a lot, and see you next time.
If you want to buy this tablet, the link will be in the description.